How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the First Timers channel. Got your host Alvin here today, and actually we're going to be talking about something pretty cool today. And that is going to be the Surface Earbuds. I'm super stoked. I've been waiting for this for a long time now. I know a lot of people are kind of going, Surface Earbuds, what is that? It's actually going to be a great tool for we'll say even office products, to start. So being able to actually say do PowerPoint presentations and have it translate your text at the bottom of the screen, or just listen to music. They aren't noise canceling, so I purchased that with that in mind. But a lot of people claim that you can actually have them in, you can have a full conversation without it really kind of killing your vibe. And for me, I've tried those jaw headphones, and they're pretty cool, but I feel like you can't hear everything that you should be able to hear. And I'm hoping that is going to fill my little promise there. So let's jump into the unboxing of the Surface Earbuds. All right. So the box is actually very small and very easy to actually ship. It actually came pretty quick, so I was pretty stoked about that. Now keep in mind that this will work with your Windows 10 devices as well as Android and iPhone products. On the box, it's promising to be ultra comfortable and stable fit. Intuitive touch and voice controls, screen-free access to Office 365, calendar, email, to-dos, and more. Premium sound for music and calls. Up to 24-hour batteries with charging case. So like I said, I am very excited about this guy. I'm stoked to see how big they are as well. You're supposed to be able to have up to 8 hours of continuous listening with the actual headphones themselves. So yeah, it's looks pretty cool. Let's jump into the unboxing here. I'm gonna use a little razor blade here, and we'll just make a little slit there and a little slit there. So this is actually pretty cool. All right. Oh, you can already smell the newness. That's actually pretty cool. Nice. So we got our Surface headphones here. This is exciting. Everyone's ear is unique as their fingerprint, so that's actually pretty interesting. All right, look at that. So find your fit. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh. So obviously you got your little instruction, I guess not an instruction block. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So personalize your fit. So what it's saying is you start from the bottom of the earlobe and twist up so it locks in. Both ears, double tap, play, pause, music, answer, and call. Activate digital assistant like your Google or Cortana. Swipe up for volume, so this is the right ear, and swipe down for volume. And then left ear is swipe forward for next and swipe backwards for previous. Now keep both earbuds in the case, press and hold the pair button for 5 seconds. So it looks like you can pair from the actual case. That's actually kind of cool. Okay. So in the packaging here, actually, wasn't expecting all this stuff in the box here. That's actually pretty cool. All right, so you got your Surface Earbuds. Looks like it's gonna be your instructions, YouTube, LED, all that fun stuff here. So let's take a quick look here. So LED, charging case, USB, twist. Okay, well, making sure that you go through it all and read it. All right, so looks like play Spotify instantly. Now for Spotify to work, I think you just have to triple tap the earbud. But yeah, so that's pretty straightforward. All right. So the main hardware, obviously, is the headsets themselves. I'm assuming they're in there, as well as small and large. So I'm assuming mediums inside the actual unit there. And it looks like you have your Type-C charging port, which will plug right into the back here. Which is actually pretty funny that they actually left it open. So if you didn't want to take out the, if you want to actually leave it inside the case, you can actually charge it and slide it back on. That is pretty funny. All right, the moment we've all been, are you guys ready? I don't know if you guys are ready. I'm pretty stoked, so let's open it. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that. I am super excited. Lights right up instantly, right when you close it. Let's see when that light turns off. Yep, so it's like a little switch in there. Light turns off right when you close it. Turns back on, close it. Nice. So it's, you know, standard kind of like a plastic housing. So nothing, you know, nothing special as far as either like aluminum or anything like that, but it still actually has a pretty good feel to it here. All right, so let's jump into me trying them out. I am kind of so stoked to see how they fit in the air here. Cables and everything have come with them. So now it's pretty interesting because they made them pretty flush with the with them there. So I think, let me see, is there a way to do it without using a nail? I'm just trying to see if if you don't have nails. Okay, it actually comes out pretty easy. And looks like it charges, but I'd say you'd maybe have to use your nail a little bit to actually actually get to it. But overall, it's pretty simple. You can see the charging points there and there. And it just, you know, it looks like magnetic, so kind of like the bottom of the Surface keyboards where they just click right in. They kind of have the same feature like that right here. So this is the left ear and this is the right ear here. So let's see. So they're saying to start from the bottom. Oh, it's talking to me. Okay, it wants me to open up my Bluetooth settings and pair them. So okay, so this ear is a little different on this side, where this ear doesn't grip. So I might have to go to the large one here because it doesn't have that nice snug feel to them that this side does. So we can try probably the large. Oh, yeah, the large, so we'll give that a shot. Oh, actually, that's pretty interesting. So they use kind of like a little peel back tab here. So literally all you have to do is just peel it. Nice. So very, very cool. Okay, let's actually see something here. So this is the left ear. And that's actually pretty easy to pull off. And I kind of just assumed that I shouldn't have. But overall, all you have to do, it's funny, just pull right on the edge here and it comes right off. It's actually very soft and actually probably allows you to clean it pretty easily as well. Okay, and now this is the large earpiece. All right, let's see how this works on this ear. So aim down and lock in. Okay, so this one feels a lot better, more stable. Doesn't really feel like it wants to fall out. So let's go ahead. Okay, this is actually really good. I don't know if I can sit that and run in place, but it actually feels pretty pretty cool. Let me go back to playing.
A few moments later.
Okay, I like them. Let me try to swap the earpiece on this one. All right. So again, like I said, it's very simple to put on. I just put it right on right there. Yeah, it slides right in. So I can actually, these are actually really cool. I like it. This is actually really, really cool. It's pretty weird because I feel like I can hear myself as I'm talking. So that's kind of an interesting feeling. So I feel like I'm not like screaming or yelling, but I actually feel, like I said, really nice. Let's see. Turn up the volume a little more. So now it does look like the volume is independent from the actual phone here. And that's kind of cool as well. So I can have it set to a certain level there, all the way up if I want, and I can actually adjust the volume here, and I don't have to mess up my volume on my phone, because that seems to be always an issue where I turn down the volume and then I miss a call because my volume's all the way off, or really low because I was listening to music. But overall, they feel amazing. And I would definitely, like I said, I would definitely recommend that you guys look at this guy and give it a chance. Microsoft has also put on their website that they're giving, and it was not 90, but I think a 60-day return, which is pretty crazy. Let me go to their website really fast. So if you didn't like them, they're giving you 60 days to figure that out. It's actually really cool that they have a 60-day return policy on these guys through the Microsoft Store. Now, I know some people might not have a Microsoft Store near them. I am actually going to drop a link below. So if you wanted to pick them up through Amazon, Amazon's return policy is usually pretty good as well. But keep in mind, I think theirs is 14 days on electronics. So make sure you can actually get through, test them out and see how you like them. But so far, like I said, they feel pretty cool. I'm pretty stoked as far as playing with them. I'm like, ooh. But it's just weird because you would think that they would be taking up a lot of your hearing, but they don't. I can physically hear noises. Actually, let me play this over here. Maybe that might help. Actually, I'll try to do something that's in English. I was getting ready to run some anime in Japanese. So now the weird thing is I don't have them that loud right now, but I could still hear the music pretty well. Actually, I say very well.
I got 30 players from the assault team coming.
I can hear the video pretty straightforward as well. And that's actually pretty interesting. I don't know if I'd ever be really watching a movie or TV show and I'd still be listening to music. But this is actually pretty cool. It's a trip. It is a trip. So guys, again, comes with power cable, comes with your charger, comes with 3 pairs of earpieces. So you can actually sit there and try each one and figure out which one fits in your ear. The settings and everything are pretty simple as far as swiping forward and swiping back on the left ear, volume up and down on the right. So I'm pretty excited. And like I said, I'll probably do another video, actually probably on a couple different products a little later on. One talking about the lights that I ordered in the other video, as well as the headphones, to tell you if I still like them after 3 or 4 video uses. So so far the lights are working out great. I loved how well lit it was here, and I like I said, I'm really stoked with these. Like I said, I'm just rocking out right now while I'm talking to you guys, and it feels amazing. So anyway, guys, first timers, we're out. We'll see you next time. Have fun. Stay safe out there, guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and that like. And also let me know what you think. I know the style, a lot of people keep saying they kind of look like gauges. I don't think I mind them, they actually, like I said, they don't look bad. So anyway, guys, see you later.